Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today I'm joined by my dad and partner, Mike Santoni. Today we're back relaunching the Ask a Private Investigator show. We're going to answer those many questions that our clients often ask us, and we want to share some information. So, first one that we get asked quite a bit is, is it against the law to hire a private investigator? And so, in most situations, it's not against the law to hire a private investigator, but maybe share some examples where, hiring a private investigator could be an issue.
Well, if the person asking to hire us is asking us to do something illegal, then that would be something we could not do. So, if a individual had a restraining order against their spouse and they asked us to follow the spouse, that'd be an example where we could not follow their instructions.
Great. And in most situations, if the private investigator that you're working with is licensed in following laws and not breaking laws, most of the time the information evidence that they're going to collect will be lawful and can be used in court and things like that. So the answer for the most part is no, it's not illegal to hire a private investigator, and also most of the time those investigation inquiries will be fairly discreet because the investigations being conducted will not involve direct contact with the subject, and therefore they will not know what's going on. If you have another question for us, please leave it in the show notes below and we'll make sure to answer it on a future episode. Thanks.